Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you about multi-step equations. This is the part 2 video. First example, 3 by 2x plus 5 equal to 5x by 2 minus 1. 3x over 2 plus 5 is equal to 5x over 2 minus 1. Okay, here the least common denominator is 2. Multiply by 2 on both the sides. Okay. Now 2 times 3x is 6x divided by 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5x is 10x over 2 minus, first we have to multiply, and 2 times 1 is minus 2. Okay. 6x divided by 2 is 3x. Plus 10 is equal to 5x minus 2. We have to bring the like terms together. We are subtracting 3x on both the sides. 10 is equal to 2x minus 2. 10 equal to 2x minus 2. Add 2 on both the sides. 12 equal to 2x. 12 equal to 2x. Divided by 2 on both the sides, x will be 6. Okay. The second example, minus 17x over 19 plus 51 equal to 0. First subtract 51 on both the sides. Minus 51 on both the sides. Okay. Minus 17x over 19 equal to negative 51. We are solving for x. We don't want 19. The reverse operation for 19 is you are multiplying by 19 on both the sides. So 19 and 19 will get cancelled on the left side. Negative 17x equal to minus 51 times 19. Here the most common mistake. Here in order to solve x, most of the kids will say I'll add 17 on both the sides. It is not addition. Minus 17 times x. Minus 7, it is multiplication. So the reverse operation for multiplication is division. Okay. So minus 17x is equal to minus 51 times 19. We have to divide it by negative 17 on both the sides. Okay. So x is equal to 51 divided by 17 is 3. Okay. 50 and negative will get cancelled. Okay. 19 times 3 is 57. The third example, 8 by 7 into x plus 2 minus 5 by 7 into x plus 1 is equal to 7. 8 by 7 into x plus 2 minus 5 by 7 into x plus 1 equal to 7. We are trying to avoid the denominators. For that, here the common denominator is 7. Multiply by 7 on both the sides. Okay. When you multiply for the first term, 8 times 7 is, or just we can write 8 times 7 over 7 into x plus 2. This is whole one term. And again, this 7 also should be multiplied by the 5 by 7 times 7 into x plus 1 equal to 49. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So 7s will get cancelled. 8 into x plus 2 minus, here also 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 5 into x plus 1 equal to 49. Now do the distributive property. 8 times x is 8x and 8 times 2 is 16. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x, and we have to do minus 5 times plus 1, which is minus 5, equal to 49. 8x minus 5x is 3x, and 16 minus 5 is 11, equal to 49. Now 3x plus 11 equal to 49. Subtract 11 on both the sides. 3x is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8, 4 minus 1 is 38. So x is equal to 38 divided by 3. Okay, because the common denominator is 7, we are multiplying by 7 on both the sides. 8 into x plus 2 minus 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 49. When you do the distributive property, 8x plus 16 minus 5x minus 5 equal to 49. 8x minus 5x is 3x, 16 minus 5 is 11, and from there you're solving for x. Fourth example, 1 over 6x plus 3 equal to 4 minus 1/3 x. 1 over 6x plus 3 is equal to 4 minus 1/3 times x. Here, the denominators are 3 and 6. So, the least common denominator for 3 and 6 is 6. If you have any doubts, like 3 will come in 3. In the, what is the 3 table? 3, 6, 9, right? 6 table is 6, 12, 18. The first common factor from both the numbers is called the least common denominator. So, in this case, the least common denominator is 6. We have to multiply by 6 on both the sides. Multiply by 6 on both the sides. Now 6 times 1 is 6. So 6 over 6x plus 6 times 3 is 18. Do the distributive property on both the sides. 6 times 4 is 24 minus 6 times 1 is 6, x over 3. X plus 18 equal to 24 minus 2x. Minus 2x. Bring the like terms to one side. We are adding 2x on both the sides. 3x plus 18 equal to 24. Subtract 18 on both the sides. 3x is equal to 24 minus 18 is 14 minus 8 is 6, and you gave one borrow. So 1 minus 1 is 0. X is equal to 6 divided by 3. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. So x will be equal to 2. Okay. I'll do one more example. 4 minus 1 by 8a equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4a plus 1 by 2a. What are the denominators here? We have 2, 4 and 8, right? So for 2, the factors are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. For 4, 4, 8, 12 and 16. And 8 is 8 and 16. The common denominator from all the numbers is, the first common factor in all the numbers is 8. So the least common denominator for the above example is 8. We have to multiply by 8 on both the sides. We have to multiply by 8 on both the sides. 8 times 4 is 32 minus 8 times 1 is 8 over 8. Again, 8 times 3 is 24 over 4 minus 8 times 1 is 8a over 4. And 8 times a is 8a divided by 2. 32 minus 8 divided by 8 is a, or we can write 1a. 24 divided by 4 is 6 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2a. 8 divided by 2 is 4a. Combine the like terms here. 4a minus 2a is positive 2a. Bringing the like terms to one side, add 1a on both the sides. 32 equal to 6 plus 3a. Now, 32 equal to 6 plus 3a. Subtract 6 on both the sides. 32 minus 6 is 26, which equal to 3a. The reverse operation for multiplication is division. So a equal to 26 over 3. Okay. I hope I gave you a clear idea about solving multi-step equations. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.